Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at shortcut keys for the draw menu, and also this will be for TruCUT RDWorks. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on the shortcut keys, and I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. So now in today's video, we're going to be looking at the draw menu, shortcut keys for that. And I'm a bit hesitant to do a video on this, seeing that mine is not working correctly. I've tried exiting, re-entering, all of that, but it's really strange. So if you guys are experiencing the same issues, maybe just leave it in the comments below, so we can see, maybe we can like contact the supplier or something to have that sorted out, if it's not a problem that's just on my computer. So now, in any case, I'll show you guys now what I mean. But so the shortcut keys for the draw menu, we can go to the third menu here on the top main menu, just draw. And as we can see here, we've got most of the tools which can be located here on our left. There's shortcut keys for them. So we've got the select, then we've got the edit nodes, the line, polygon, and so forth. And as you can see, it's simply control 1, control 2, control 3. Now, in my personal opinion, I don't like the setup of working. I like it more when they kept it the shortcut relevant to the actual items. So for a text tool, you use T. In this case, you'll use control 7. It's kind of like you have to refamiliarize yourself with the work, should I say, the hotkeys for the these shortcuts, or what do I call these, tool panels. And then so it's not that universal. But in my case, for instance, if I want to navigate through this, let's say I want to go to the edit node, which would be control 2. So if I control 2, it actually goes to my polygon, or the actual polygon editing tool. If I go control 1, it will go to my normal line tool. So I actually cannot use shortcut keys to access these top two. So mine has jumped everything with one lower, which like I said, I'm not quite sure. I tried to fix it, but it seems to stay the same. So yeah, I've tried to do more research and online, or same shortcut keys to what it says in the menus here. So I'm not too sure what's happening there, but maybe if on yours it works better, then I would say you can get familiar with a few of these that you use often. So then well, it works easy to navigate through them. But in my case, I'll unfortunately have to use these two manually, or click on them manually. But otherwise, that is it on the draw menu. So like I said, it's shortcut keys for most, not all of them, but most of the items you can find here on your actual draw menu. Otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, and we'll make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.